Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's pack your bags. So today we are in Orlando, Florida, and we are in Universal, and we are going to explore so many rides here today. So here we have arrived at the monster attraction of the park, Jurassic World VelociCoaster. This is it, the apex predator of coasters. You can also watch our one full day ultimate guide for Universal Studios and Island of Adventure. Video links are given in description box. The wait time today is 70 minutes. The ride launches you at insane speed, twists over the water, flips upside down, and there will be a moment when you are hung upside down above the lagoon. It is fast, smooth, and absolutely thrilling. Utterly terrifying in the best way possible. I'm really scared of these kind of big coasters, but those who like the fun and thrill, for them this ride is 10 out of 10. So this was our today's video. If you liked our video, don't forget to press the like button. To join us on this adventurous journey, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great one.